Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a custom hostname on a VPS with systemd. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by accessing your VPS via SSH. Use a terminal or an SSH client to connect. Log in with your username and password. Ensure you have sudo privileges to make system changes. Begin by updating your package list. Run the command sudo apt update. Next, install the necessary packages. Use the command sudo apt install systemd. Now, create a new configuration file for your hostname. Navigate to the systemd directory using the command sudo nano /etc/systemd/system/custom-hostname.service. In the file, define the service. Start with unit and add description equals custom hostname service. Follow with service and add type equals simple. Then, add exec start equals /bin/hostname equals set hostname your custom hostname. Replace your custom hostname with your desired hostname. Finally, close the service definition with install and add wanted by equals multi-user.target. Save the file and exit the editor. Now, enable the service to start on boot. Run the command sudo systemctl enable custom hostname.service. To apply the change immediately, start the service. Use the command sudo systemctl start custom hostname.service. Verify the hostname has been updated. Run the command hostnamectl. This will display your current hostname. If everything has been set up correctly, you should see your custom hostname listed. Congratulations, you have successfully installed a custom hostname on your VPS using systemd. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.